Hey guys, Jason with Ingrain Woodworks. If you've been following along, you'd know that I'm building some pretty big tables, one of which is going to be round. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to make a square table round. Now, obviously, I'm not finished, not even close, but I thought I'd tell you how I did it. Step one to making a circle, make a square, and I did that. I have 11 boards here that I've glued together that will make a 72-inch round table. So after 3 glue ups, I finally have this massive slab of wood. So how do I make it a circle? Well, they make jigs and things that you can buy to do this, but it's not that hard. Right here in front of me, I have a homemade jig that is literally a piece of plywood. This piece of plywood bolts right to my router. I take the plate off the router, screw this in, and then I literally have a trim nail in the center of this table. Turn the router on and go a little bit at a time until you're mostly through the top. I'll show you right now. Yeah, that took a while. I'm using a pretty old router on this jig that I made, but it works. So, next step. I've gotten most of the way through the top here. Some people will just keep routering until they go all the way through. But that's gonna cause a blowout on the other side. So, what I like to do is take my jigsaw, cut out the rest of the wood and leave just a little bit there, and I can come back with a flush router. So yeah, that was it. Would love to say that went smooth, but it didn't. Had a few hiccups there. You may not see it because I'm gonna put it in fast motion. But yeah, table's round. I hope this helped. If I had to do it any different, I probably would have went a few more passes on the first initial circles because I did have to take off a fair amount there. But like I said, table's round and it was successful. So I hope I helped you guys if you're making a round table, if you would please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you.